What's up, guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we are here at the Lakeside Daisies State Nature Preserve, and it's kind of what it looks like. It's really pretty. There is a sign right here, and then I will scroll for you so you can read it if you would like. It tells about 8,000 years ago in the climate and all that good stuff. It is also a birding trail, number 56. So you can pause the video and read that if you want. The only down thing is no pets, so we had to leave Coda in the car. I'm just joking. And here's the sign. So it's number 56, Lake Erie Birding Trail. So pretty. It's right here, and it is off of Alexander, what is it called, babe?
Park.
Alexander Park Road. And there's like a cliff and the trail.
That thing looks like it stretches over miles.
And so we're going to get a good picture here of the sign.
What? These weird flowers remind me of spider orchids.
And then there's these pretty flowers.
They remind me of spider orchids.
So let's go over here and read the State Nature Preserve rules. So State Nature Preserve rules: no pets, no bikes. Preserves are open half hour before sunrise, half hour after sunset. It says following activities are prohibited: hiking off the designated trail, collecting any materials, hunting or fishing, kindling or fire, swimming or wading, so there must be water out there, picnicking, consuming or possessing alcohol. So this is a, I'm sorry, I'm trying to read it through the thing. Read it, babe. I'm trying to read it through the camera. This is a partial list of
rules. A complete list can be found under Ohio Administrative Code 1501-17, Division of Natural Areas and Preserves.
So yeah. So we're going to start off going down this trail. It is really good. This is our first time being here as well. It is so beautiful. You can carry it though. There's Coda off the designated trail, falling on his booty. Ooh, there's a little bench. It's just so peaceful and pretty. I'm assuming there's water out here somewhere, since it had like a bunch of stuff about swimming and wading and waddling, but
that's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
So satisfying too. Check this out.
You know what this bench means, guys?
Oh boy.
Means our family photo picture we get every time we go somewhere. Look how amazingly beautiful. You just can't. The video doesn't do it justice. It's so pretty and peaceful. You can hear the birds.
Yo, look at this one.
Kind of a, whoo, ow, steep. Maybe right here would be a good place for that. So here's the city bench. A city bench. Oh, guys, I hurt my leg so bad the other day. And this is what you will see from sitting on the bench. It's nice and peaceful and calm. We're going to do our family photo and we will be right back. Okay, guys, we got a super cute picture. So we're gonna keep going. Watch your step coming down this hill. So far, it's pretty level. Only thing that wasn't, oh, sorry, I'm way up here. Only thing that wasn't very level, oh, I lied, is where you have to go up to the bench.
Uh-oh.
And so we're gonna keep looking. There's lots of these pretty purple flowers.
They remind me of spider orchids.
No, it says they remind him of spider orchids.
Spider orchids get the name because their star-like shape reminds people of spiders.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I'm guessing.
It's a cliff over there. It's a pretty big one too.
Ole moly. Gotta have a lot of moles in that thing.
Mold.
Holy moly.
There's like grooves.
Yeah. It probably explains it on that.
Yeah, it's like the spider orchid things might fit well in my garden.
So we're thinking about putting a geocache out here, guys. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, because there isn't one. And it's super nice out here. There's a good breeze.
Valley.
So I'm going to suggest, just by me, in my opinion, by the walkway, that it's not very handicap accessible.
Let's make sure to avoid all the rocks.
Because it's very ruggedy
And
bumpy and very narrow, as you can see.
And a bunch of plants.
So, but it's up to you to try. I mean, if you have one of those really cool off-roading four-wheeler type of wheelchairs, but also the entrance isn't very big either, so yeah.
The daisies?
No.
Oh, they must be the weird flowers.
The yellow daisies.
Oh.
So it keeps going pretty far, guys. And it says you have to stay on the path. So I will be inserting information about this thing, about the preserve, in the video, so it's not as boring just me and them walking, but
Gotta cut himself on a tree.
probably gonna go up around this corner and turn around, but oh, there is water. So cool.
Yeah, rushing waterfall.
I found water. There's the water. Let's go see it. I think that's the end of the trail anyway. So this is what they're telling you not to swim in, which I suggest you not. But it's still beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's very sandy. Look at the butterfly.
Oh. I wonder if there's any toads around here.
Look how pretty, you guys. It's very soft, Coda.
Whoa, okay.
How peaceful and beautiful is this?
There's a mud skipper right there.
No, it said there's a mud skipper.
There's species of
At a
fish.
certain time of the year, I bet you there's tadpoles in here.
Mud skippers are species
It's a
of
beautiful
fish, I guess, or
butterfly.
amphibians that live in mud pools.
I think this is going to be my new happy place. Yes, baby.
Happy place is the ocean.
My goodness. Aw. No bicycles. And that's probably why, because you get stuck in here.
Alright.
So,
Oh.
what? It's a little bug.
There's
No,
a lot of
see.
water strider. You should have found the ocean though.
They say you're not allowed to swim or wade, so which means you're not allowed to walk in there, put your feet in there or anything, so. But it's super pretty, guys. Super.
Right here. Somebody stepped in it.
Yeah, somebody's been in there. But I tell you what, it's probably for your own good, because this is all limestone quarry, and you probably can get, you'll get stuck in it like quicksand. And it's a very real thing, limestone poisoning you can get. So, by the looks of it, It's been super hot here. I'm thinking this comes way up in here.
Looks like it does, yeah.
And there's
Yeah,
also,
the range is really good.
this might be a coyote print or something right there.
Looks like a shoe print.
So let's go back to the end. Let's go back to the, well, this is the trail. You're allowed here because there is a trail. But I just want to see if that's where it ends, because this is super, super cute little place, you guys. If you ever just want to get away. Oh, no, it keeps going that way. Oh, boy. So that's...
Anyone want to know a fun fact about the ocean? Fun fact about the ocean, that there's a species of fish known as the deep sea snailfish that can live up to 3,000 to 3,500 meters below sea level.
cool.
Actually, I
So,
think it was actually 2.
I think it's just an open point that way. But past this, there's more water in a marsh, so...
Look out for capybaras.
I don't think there's capybaras here, baby.
I was just making a meme.
But we'll go a little bit this way. It's supposed to be a birding trail, but honestly, guys, I haven't seen a single bird. There's a bird. Oh, there's something down there. It's like a fence. Oh, that's the other exit. There's like 2 or 3 different ways you can get in, but I wanted to park.
Are these seeds on them?
Yes, baby. I wanted to park where you guys could see the entrance, where it had the sign and all the information. But down here, hold on. Down here, you can see, sorry, that little structure where that car just drove. That's just another entrance. So I'm not gonna walk all the way down there because it's just the exit, and then I'll have to walk all the way back. But there's a beautiful tree right here, which is like right in the middle. All these beautiful purple flowers, some more rocks. It's pretty much just a peaceful nature trail walk, guys. Nothing spectacular, but I still would suggest you come visit because it's cute, it's peaceful, and you get a really nice breeze.
Must be the wrong time because the days.
Maybe. I think they're just...
Sign saying that this place has wild daisy sick, right?
That's probably about it, because that's just the fence. And this, I'll do a complete 360. It's just beautiful and peaceful and quiet.
Anyone want to know? Okay.
Oh my god. And pardon my children, I have boys, they're always talking about farts and stuff. But here's another rock that you can just take a seat on. Perfect for ending your video.
Hey guys,
So,
this is a world record. Look at that.
alright guys, so if you enjoyed this little walk and this little nature preserve, make sure you smash that like button and leave a comment down below if you've ever been here, or if you have super cool nature preserves that you would like for us to come and see around where you live. I'm so sorry that we slacked there for a while, but my health was just not cooperating very well. My leg is still a little messed up, but this was perfect because it wasn't too big and it's very nice out. We were having over 100 degrees plus 99% humidity here. You walk outside, you just couldn't breathe. It was horrible, but it's getting cooled down now. We're supposed to have this whole week is supposed to be manageable. So please drop a like on this video, and we will see you guys on our next adventure. And remember to go out there, have an adventure, and just have fun, guys. So until the next time, bye.